Hello, everyone. Welcome to Top Rankers and SSCtube. My name is Vijay Singh. I'm a faculty of English. We are going to launch a new batch tomorrow, that is 14th of June 2019. So tomorrow will be the first class. We are going to launch SSC CGL Mains 2018 tomorrow, and the batch will run for 2 months. The duration will be 4 hours every day. The classes for English will run at 9:30 in the morning until 11:30 in the morning, and the classes for mathematics will be 2:30 p.m. until 4:30 p.m. So the classes will run 4 hours every day, and there are certain things that you need to take care of. We have increased the number of hours so that maximum number of questions can be taken and discussed with the students. And you guys, since you guys have already done with the examination for the CGL 2018 pre, there were certain doubts among the students regarding the cutoff that will be taken care of. The only thing I would like to say is the basics are the basics. Don't skip it. There are times wherein you fall down, you'll get hurt, you will lose everything. But that is a process, it's a rule, it's a principle. Don't skip it. Just keep doing your job. The only job as a student for you would be keep working hard. So I wish you all the best for the CGL 2018 mains, the classes that will start tomorrow. Thank you so much, everyone.